Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And this is the first lecture of English language and literature, and we will discuss the discourse analysis. Before discourse analysis, we will discuss what is discourse. Discourse is something written or spoken communication and conversation between two or more people in which there is a response. If a conversation has a response after listening to it, then this is called a discourse, and we will also call it the sharing of information in some context. And the tool which we use is language. And the next thing is verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication, that is that what we speak and what we articulate, and non-verbal communication gives the gestures, face expressions, and the gaze direction to communicate with someone and to make them understand something. And the next one is the surface or hidden meaning. Surface meaning is a literal meaning that we understand by just listening to it, and hidden meaning is an implied or intended meaning, the intention between that sentence or behind that sentence, what is being said and what is understood in some context. That is the hidden meaning. And if we talk about the example, first example, as teacher is saying it's very cold here. So surface meaning is that he or she is feeling cold in that classroom. Classroom is the context. And hidden meaning about this and behind this is called a student sitting in the classroom stands up and switch off the fan. So he or she understands the intended meaning of the teacher, that what the teacher intentions behind that sentence, that he is feeling cold, so he switch off the fan. This is the hidden meaning. And the next are the factors on which the deep understanding depends. Deep understanding depends on observations, experience, mindset, situation, and the society. These are done by our observations. We take that deep understanding by our experiences, our mindset, and in which context we are sitting. And the last one is every communication is not discourse, but every discourse in a communication. This we will discuss in the next lecture, so stay tuned with us for the explanation.